Professor, this is my first assignment for standard input and command line arguments. First off, I had to import the system to get the arguments, and then I printed standard input just so the user knows to start inputting. Words is an array with 2 spots. I'll show you how I implemented that further on. Same thing with previous, except that's just using the for loop. The first for loop, make sure this first line will really make sure that I is not the input program, because we wouldn't really want to do anything to the input program. And then next, I would be the first command line argument. The difference in how I really implemented this is because the previous kind of stores and disregards the order for command line arguments. It more or less just works in terms of what is next instead of an exact order to be needed. For example, you could have -t in first, and then you would still not be getting errors because of the way I implemented it. Down here, this will just look for the user input, and then it will print each value on a new line. Down in when it checks the length of system.argv, this will really just make sure to skip, just like up here, it'll skip the input program because this will be the first one. And then we will print the command line arguments, and if -o is in the words array and the length of the word is 0, then we just want to print the word, and each implementation is the same for this if statement, but the last one, if it's -h, then we just print option 3, and just since that's one of your requirements in the assignment, that is how we do it. That is my first assignment. I will see you in class.